I'm Professor Pi. Welcome to my daily mathematical adventures. Hey, don't forget me. I'm Cowboy Rufus. I'm your favorite student. Hi, I'm Professor Pi. Welcome to another daily mathematical adventure. Today we're going to talk about inequalities. Inequalities. Greater than, less than, I think it's the same sign. We can say 9 is greater than 5, or we can say 5 is less than 9. But in that direction, the Pac-Man mouth goes toward the big number, and the pointy little line, the acute angle, goes toward the small number. Once again, that sign is either less than or greater than, because we flip the sign both ways. In this case, 9 is bigger than 5 is a true statement. 9 is bigger than minus 5 is a true statement. 9 is bigger than 12. No, we got the sign wrong. Then we get 9 bigger than 12. We always make sure the Pac-Man mouth goes toward the big number and the acute angle goes toward the small number. We also have less than or equal to. This is greater than or equal to. Greater than or equal to. The equal sign simply means that when we graph it, we're going to have a colored in dot. So let's go talk about some graphing. This is inequalities in their graphs. The standard is A1 CED A.3. I can solve and graph inequalities on a number line. And once again, on all my videos, I'll have my video up here when we're done with it. And then I have 4 more. If you don't understand my video, watch the other 4. Here we say 14 is greater than 6, or 6 is less than 14. In both cases, the acute angle needs to point toward the 6. The Pac-Man mouth needs to point toward the 14. Here we have 14 is greater than or equal to 6. And here we have 6 is less than or equal to 14. It's the same sign, we flip it both ways. Let's actually see what I can graph here. All right, X is greater than 4. You put the open circle on 4. And which way would be greater than? Is it the right or is it the left? Yes, it's the right. So we would draw our arrow that way. We would draw our arrow that way. My next example would be X is less than 0. You get an open circle. We're going to put it on the 0. And less than, look at the number line. Less than is the left hand. Right hand is positive, left hand is negative. So which numbers are less than 0? It's an open circle on 0, and we're going to put our arrow that way. And how far does the number line go? It goes on and on forever, but you're going to run out of paper, so just draw the line just like it is here, where it goes on and on forever. We would darken in that half the line. Now, what happens when I put greater than or equal to. Equal to means we have a colored in dot. And here I have x is greater than or equal to -7. Greater than or equal to -7, we put it at -7, it's equal, so we color it in, and then we draw a line toward the right. So let's try one that's less than or equal to. Less than or equal to 25. It's a colored in dot. It's a red colored in dot because I want to go equal to 25 counts. Less than 25. We're going to draw our line that way. So we're going to draw our line all the way down here. And that's how you graph these inequalities. We're going to go through several days of inequalities because it's a good review, because most inequalities are worked just like most equations. So we'll have a chance to go through one-step and two-step inequalities, just like we did one-step and two-step equations. That's about all Professor Pi can tell you about inequalities in graphing. In the next couple of days, we'll start solving some inequalities, and then we'll graph them. In the meantime, come back again tomorrow for another mathematical adventure with Professor Pi, and I might even bring Crazy Cowboy Rufus with me. Did y'all hear that? Professor Pi said that I could be the star of all the next videos. He's going to make me a movie star. I really like this here mathematics, but I don't understand much of it. Thanks for watching another Professor Pi video. Y'all come back tomorrow. Professor Pi and me, Cowboy Rufus, will learn you something new all about math.